our raspberry-filled crepes. First off, let's make the filling. This is a really easy filling. It's just raspberry jam and some vanilla extract. And half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Just adds a little more flavor to it. And then I just mix it together. All right, so now that the filling's done, I'll show you how easy it is to make the batter. We need 4 eggs, and we're gonna need a cup of milk. We're gonna crack the eggs into the blender, and the blender does all the work for you. All right, next, milk. And we add 1 cup to the 4 eggs. All in there, and then half a cup of flour. The flour will bind everything together. We also need a tablespoon of sugar, just like that, and whirl it all together until it's all blended. Let's see here. Ooh, nice batter. Perfect. And the butter gives it flavor, but you don't want to use too much. A 1/4 cup. I know it doesn't sound like a lot, but it's all you need to make nice, thin crepes, and that's what you want. So you swirl it around in the pan, and it really just cooks about a minute, and when the little bubbles start to form on the top, that's when you know to flip it over. Then I use the spatula and I flip it, just like that. 30 seconds just to cook through the egg. You can kind of see it's coming together. And, yep, we're done. So now, to make life really easy, I just slide it off the pan right onto the board. And then I just take a little bit of the filling, put it in the center of the crepe, just like that. And then I spread it out all over. Leave a little bit of a border so it doesn't ooze out the sides. There we go. And then I take it and I just wrap it just like that. And then I move it right over there. And I leave it on the baking sheet that's lined with parchment paper, and I put them in the oven at 150 degrees and keep them warm till we eat them.